Welcome to today's market update by Forex Hub International. We start with American markets. The S&P 500 saw a decline, closing at 5,618.26, down by 0.29%, while the Dow Jones also dropped 0.25%, ending at 41,503.10. The Nasdaq 100 slipped 0.45%. Yesterday's U.S. Federal Reserve rate cut of 50 basis points, which lowered the benchmark to 4.75 to 5%, was larger than expected and initially led to brief dollar weakness. However, the markets experienced a muted reaction. While the rate cut is aimed at stimulating the economy, it signals concerns about economic slowdowns, especially in the labor market. In European markets, the DAX dropped 0.08% to 18,711.49, while the FTSE 100 saw a steeper decline of 0.68%, closing at 8,253.68. The focus today is on the Bank of England's interest rate decision due at 11 GMT. While inflation remains a concern, the central bank may hold rates steady. Moving to Asia, the Nikkei 225 surged 2.65%, closing at 37,315, driven by optimism surrounding U.S. rate cuts and a weaker yen, which boosted exporters. The Seng rose 1.97% to 18,008, with market sentiment supported by hopes for further stimulus from the Chinese government. The S&P ASX 200 also gained 0.69%, closing at 8,198.30. In the Forex market, the euro-dollar is currently trading at 1.1122, benefiting from the Fed's dovish stance. The dollar-yen is up 0.65% at 143.20, as the U.S. rate cut reduced upward pressure on the dollar, though markets expect slower cuts ahead. The pound-dollar, holding at 1.3210, remains in focus as we await the Bank of England's decision, which could trigger significant movement. Commodities remain steady, with gold trading at $2,564.41, up 0.20%. Heightened geopolitical tensions have driven demand for safe haven assets like gold. Oil prices, meanwhile, are relatively stable at $73.75, as traders weigh the implications of lower demand amid potential supply risks from geopolitical developments. Today's high-impact economic events include the Bank of England's interest rate decision and the Monetary Policy Report, which will likely set the tone for the markets, particularly the British pound and UK stocks. That's your market update for today. Stay tuned for more insights.